The creation of the universe is explained by astrophysicists in a widely accepted phenomena, popularly known as the Big Bang. It is supported by observational and experimental data gathered by astronomers and astrophysicists for decades. According to the Big Bang, the whole universe was initially one big mass, primary nebula. Then there was a Big Bang, secondary separation, which resulted in the formation of galaxies. These then divided to form stars, planets, the sun, the moon, etc. etc. The origin of the universe was unique, and the probability of its occurring by chance is zero. The Quran contains the following verse regarding the origin of the universe. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. أولم ير الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا ففتقناهما. That means, do not the unbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together as one unit of creation before we clove them asunder? The striking congruence between the Quranic verse and the Big Bang is inescapable. How could a book which first appeared in the deserts of Arabia 1450 years ago contain this profound scientific truth?